Two cards are drawn together from a pack of 52 cards. Two cards are drawn together from a pack of 52 cards. So n of s is equal to, there are 52 cards, two cards are drawn. Okay, so 52c2 is equal to 52 factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus r. So 52 minus 50 factorial. Okay, so that is equal to 52 factorial can be expanded as 52 into 51 into 50 factorial divided by 2 factorial can be expanded as 2 into 1 into 50 factorial. 50 factorial gets cancelled. 52 divided by 2 equal to 26. So 26 into 51 equal to 1326. Okay, so n of s is equal to 1226. Okay, so there are 1326 ways are available to draw two cards from 52 cards. Okay, so the probability that one is a spade, and one is a hard dice. Okay, so n of s is equal to 52c2, which is equal to 1326. Let capital A be the event of getting one spade and one heart. Totally there are 13 spade cards. So 13c1, getting one spade means 13c1, and for and use into one heart. There are 13 heart cards, from where that we are going to draw one card. Okay, so getting one spade and one heart means 13c1 into 13c1. Okay, so that is equal to n of a is equal to 13c1 into 13c1. 13c1 will be equal to 13. The nc1 is equal to n. Okay, so 13c1 is equal to 13 into 13c1 equal to 13. So 13 into 13 will be equal to 169. Okay, so p of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s. So that is equal to 169 divided by 1326. Simplifying, we get p of a is equal to 13 divided by 102. Okay, so the answer is 13 divided by 102.